Hello everyone. So this is the second part of dependent and independent events. Okay, so let's say if we want to determine the probability of an event, okay, let's say the probability of event A. So probability of event A is equals to the number of outcomes of event A over the number of possible outcomes. Okay, equals to NA over NS. Okay, so let's look at the question here. Right, so before that, please remember event A and event B are independent events if the occurrence of event A has no effects on the occurrence of event B and vice versa. So I have cupcakes here. Okay, I have 6 cupcakes. I have 2 cheese cupcakes, 3 red velvets, and 1 butter cupcake. So first situation, 2 cupcakes are chosen at random, one by one without replacement. Write the probability of getting a cheesecake on the first time and the second time. Okay, so let PC equals to the probability of getting cheesecake. Okay, so I have 2 cheesecake here, right? So if I want to calculate the probability of getting my first cheesecake, so based on the above formula, probability of an event is the number of outcome of that event over number of possible outcome. Okay, so probability of getting a cheesecake for the first time is 2 over 6. Okay, if I take randomly any cheesecakes, any cake, so the probability of getting a cheesecake will be 2 over 6. So this is my first cheesecake. Now, first situation here is without replacement. Means after I've taken out the first cheesecake, I do not put it back. So the second time, I'm taking out another cupcake, so I want to get a cheesecake again. So initially I have 2 cheesecake. Now I already take out 1. What's the probability of getting the second cheesecake? So the probability of getting the second cheesecake will be 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 over 5. Let's look at situation 2. So situation 2, 2 cupcakes are chosen at random, one by one with replacement. The flavor of the first cake is recorded and it is returned to the box before the second cake is chosen. Write the probability of getting a cheesecake on the first time and getting the cheesecake the second time. Okay, so again, you want to get cheesecake again. So the probability of getting a cheesecake for the first time. Okay, first time I want to get a cheesecake. So the probability is 2 over 6. Okay, I take out 1. I record the flavor. And then I put it back again. And then I take out the second cheesecake. Okay, I take out another cheesecake. Sorry, another cake. So what's the probability of getting a cheesecake again? Taken out once, I put it back again. So second time, the probability is 2 over 6. So the difference in the two situations is that for the first situation, the short of the first cheesecake affect the probability of selecting the second cheesecake. Okay, so this one is the one where it is without replacement just now. I take it, I don't put it back. Whereas the second situation, the probability of selecting the second cheesecake the probability of selecting the second cheesecake is not affected by the probability of selecting the first cheesecake. Okay, I take out one, I record the flavor, and I put it back again. Okay, so the probability of the second time is not affected by the first time.